What's the meaning of Air Force One? Air Force One. Air Force One. Air Force One. Air Force One. Air Force One.
Air Force One is the official air traffic control call sign of any United States Air Force aircraft carrying the President of the United States. The term also refers to the aircraft specifically designed and used for presidential transport. The current Air Force One fleet consists of two specially modified Boeing 747-200B series aircraft. These aircraft are equipped with a range of advanced communication, security, and defensive systems, making them some of the most technologically sophisticated aircraft in the world. The role of Air Force One is to transport the President safely and efficiently to destinations around the globe.